Health and self-love are so crucial in my daily life. They're things that I really value and that I practice for me as well as for my business. Now, I really wanted to look at breathwork a bit deeper. I'd had a look at it, I'd played around with it. But when I saw Sam's advertisement for her workshop that included breathwork and journaling, which I love, and speaking, which I love, having them all be able to infuse together really intrigued me. So I thought, absolutely brilliant. I'm going to go. Let's go for it. So the venue was great. The people were amazing. And the way that Sam taught was a really great way to experience. So it's really experiential, but you understand what breathwork is about and how you can bring that into your world. Let's just say, after doing Sam's workshop, it was very clear that I was doing baby breathwork prior to that. I really enjoyed it. I would highly recommend it. And Sam, thank you so much for bringing breathwork into my world.